Welcome. Today, we're addressing a common issue many LinkedIn users face, the problem of files not showing up on your PC after a recent update. If you're experiencing this, don't worry. We have a step-by-step guide to help you fix it. Step 1. Close and reopen your browser. Sometimes, simply closing your browser and reopening it can resolve temporary glitches. This action refreshes the session and may allow LinkedIn to load files properly. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Next, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Click on the network icon located in the notifications area of your taskbar. If you notice any issues, try reconnecting to your network. Step 3. Refresh the LinkedIn web page. After confirming your connection, refresh the LinkedIn page. You can do this by clicking the refresh icon at the top left of your browser. This will reload the page and might help display any missing files. Step 4. Ask the sender to resend the file. If you still can't see the file, it might be worth asking the sender to resend it. There could have been an issue during the initial transfer that caused it not to appear correctly. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can do wonders. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning your device back on by pressing the power button again. This can clear up any lingering issues affecting your system. Step 6. Clear your browser cache and cookies. If problems persist, clearing your browser's cache and cookies may help. Click on the 3 dots at the top right of your browser, navigate to More Tools, and select Delete Browsing Data. In the New tab, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clean up any stored information that might be causing conflicts. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of LinkedIn not showing files on your PC. If you continue to experience problems after trying all these solutions, consider reaching out to LinkedIn support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy networking.